Do you have a premium video content or upcoming live event that you plan to stream live? But instead of making it free to watch, you're thinking of making money from your content with pay-per-view. If this is the case, I bet you're wondering what is the easiest and best way to make the most amount of money from your videos and live broadcasts without paying commission and waiting for many months to receive your payments. Yes, YouTube is an option, but the biggest issue is that the majority of content owners on the platform do not make much money. Plus, you've got almost no control about pricing, security, copyrights, and other important aspects of your videos. So what do you do? Here at StreamingVideoProvider, we've created the ultimate pay-per-view system, so content owners like yourself can sell their videos right from their own websites, blogs, Facebook, or Twitter pages by embedding a video player and setting up the paywall that comes up when viewers are trying to watch your video or live event. No technical knowledge is required, and anyone can do it. It's the most advanced and yet easy-to-use solution on the market. When setting up the paywall, you can choose your own pricing structure, let viewers purchase access to individual or group of videos, set time and usage limits. It's easy, flexible, and can adapt to your needs. Your clients don't need to open any accounts to buy or view your videos. Also, every time your viewers make a purchase, each payment goes instantly from the viewer to your online payment processor, such as PayPal, making payments instantly accessible. And remember, we take no commissions, so you keep 100% of the revenue for yourself. Other competitors such as Vimeo take a minimum of 10% from your sales revenue. On $10,000 worth of sales, you would pay a minimum of $1,000 to them. With StreamingVideoProvider, you get to keep the full $10,000 of sales. It's hard enough to create valuable content without having to deal with complicated and expensive pay-per-view systems. That's why we created a simple all-in-one pay-per-view system for you. Selling your videos online opens amazing opportunities. With our pay-per-view system, you can start making money today and sell to anyone in the world 24/7, 365 days a year, even whilst you're sleeping. This gives you time to focus on creating amazing content like premium courses, seminars, and how-to video tutorials. Here's how it works. 1. Upload your videos or prepare your live stream. 2. Set up your pay-per-view or subscription offers. 3. Connect your PayPal or use any of the other payment processors and methods we offer. Embed the video player on your site or social media accounts. 4. Create the buzz among your online viewers. As an idea, you can even create a short trailer teaser that you can put on YouTube and drive traffic from there to your site where the pay-per-view videos are. 5. The buyers can then simply pay for the pay-per-view or subscription and have instant access to your video content. The best part is that the pay-per-view system works on all devices including PCs, Macs, tablets, and phones. Your videos are secure against video downloading tools thanks to our industry-leading HLS encrypted global content delivery network. You can ramp up and apply extra level of security such as IP, geo, and domain locking restrictions, which are all a part of our service. Are you ready to start making money? You are just minutes away from selling your videos and live events online.